Hello everyone, welcome to CADNest. In this video, we are going to see how to use text case command in AutoCAD. So what is text case and how to use text case in AutoCAD? So let us go for AutoCAD. So text case is nothing but changing a case of text. So as you can see over here, the text which I have written, everything is in lowercase. So in order to change this into different cases like upper cases, toggle cases, title, heading, these types of cases, there is no need of re-entering the text. Just by using a text case command, we can change this case of a text. So let us see how to use this. So in order to use text case, the shortcut is T case. Just you have to type T case, that is nothing but text case. Hit the enter key. Select the objects required. I'll be selecting this object and hit a enter key. And here you can see sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, title, and also toggle case. So these text cases can be used in AutoCAD. So let us see sentence case. Under sentence case, the first letter of a sentence will be of capital and the remaining letters will be of small letters. So if I go for sentence case, you can see over here under welcome command, just give a OK, and here you can see now it's a capital letter. That is, the first word of a sentence will be of capital letter. This is about sentence case. Let us see other thing, that is about lowercase. Lowercase is nothing but every individual text character will be turned into a lowercase command. You can see everything is in lowercase. Again, the next thing is uppercase. So let us see how to use uppercase. Uppercase is nothing but each and every text character will be of capital letters. Give a OK. So now you can see every character is of uppercase or as a capital letters. The next thing we are having the title. So under title you can see the first word of under title, the first letter of every word will be of capital letters. So let us see like this. You can see under welcome W is caps, under CADNest C is caps, under skills S is caps. So each letter of our individual word will be of capital letters under title case. The last thing is toggle case. So toggle is nothing but the first letter of each word will be of smaller and the remaining letters will be of capital letters. That is nothing but the reverse of title. Toggle case, just give it as OK. So now you can see the first letter of each word will be of lowercase, the remaining letters will be of uppercase or else the caps letter. So this is what T case or a text case command is. So this is all for now. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.